Are you looking for a simple way to create precise grading on your projects without spending hours adjusting every detail by hand? Welcome to Present Trade tutorial on how to create a grading using civil site design software. In this video, you'll learn how to build a grading surface from a polyline, set your parameters, and see the results update instantly. Let's get started. First, open Civil Site Design on your CAD platform and load your drawing. Go to the Roads tab and click Create Grading. The cursor now becomes a selection tool. Pick the polyline you want to grade. After you click, you'll see an arrow indicating the start direction, and the Grading Settings window will open. At the top, you'll find the Basic Settings tab. Here, you can enter a name for the grading and pick a road template. In this example, we'll select Shape for left side batter only. In the Target Surface field, we'll choose Existing Surface. For initial elevation, we'll enter 130. Now move to the Surface Settings section. Set Cut Volume Factor to 2 and Fill Factor to 2. In the Spacing section, type 10 for the spacing and 5 for the corner angle increments. In Outside Corner method, you can choose between radial, mitre, chamfer, or clover. For now, we'll set it to radial. The rest of the settings will stay at default values. Once everything is ready, click Create Update. Civil Site Design will instantly create the grading with the parameters you defined. Now, what if you want to edit anything after creating the grading? No problem at all. Just adjust the values in the grading window. For example, change initial elevation to 110, click Create Update, and the grading updates smoothly. After creating the grading, you'll see two new tabs appear: Vertical Grading and Volumes. If you want to add PVIs, switch to the Vertical Grading tab and click Add PVI. Click on the drawing to place the PVI, then type the elevation, for example 105, and press Enter. The grading updates automatically. In the Vertical Grading editor, you can change the profile line. For example, if you want to lower the level closer to the ground, simply use the IP tools to edit, and once you are done, it will update dynamically. And what if you want to create a smooth curve? It's just as simple as everything else in civil site design. Open the IP editor, click to set where you want the curve to start, enter the VC length you need, and the software will generate the curve instantly. For calculating volumes, go to the Volumes tab. Here, the software calculates cut and fill quantities automatically. Keep in mind, both surfaces must be either CSD surfaces or Civil 3D surfaces. Once that's set, you'll see all volume data calculated right away. And that's it, a clear and efficient way to create and manage grading designs in civil site design. Contact us today to get your free trial and see how fast grading can be with CSD. Happy designing!